Endowed with torrential talents, the peak week of backbone, the fructified seeded but silent, natural ability from heaven, not loan. My flawless becomes boundless, the voice of the voiceless, the morning dew that awakens the soul, the natural tender beauty that strikes, the juggernaut blizzard that exercise. My emotion fills the ocean with good exercise. My capabilities strengthened and enlightened. The game changer who never lost, the talented one who never give up. The quality of my being speaks louder to send all gibberish away. My conferment sends signals. My outstanding genius is eternal. I am gifted.